everybody, I'm Simran and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video. I recently shopped at Zara and I shopped a lot. So I thought I should make a haul video about it. And usually when I go for shopping, it's either like I go for some occasion, or sometimes when I go for shopping, I don't really decide that I'm going to shop and I just end up picking a lot of stuff. But this time I went with the mindset that I'll just pick up whatever I like, and I literally did that. I didn't even think twice. Like if I liked something, I just picked it up. So that happened and the result was amazing. I love everything that I picked, but the bill was quite amazing as well. But anyway, as long as I like it. So let's get started with the haul. The first thing that I picked up is this structured bag. I like the color, I like the shape, I like the structure, I like this golden detailing with a bow over here, and it looks really cool. And yeah, so if you guys have shopped at Zara, you would know that they keep all their accessories, specifically bags and shoes, in the lower racks. So it's really difficult to have a pick. I don't know why do they do that, because especially in sale times, it's really hard to find what you want. You find one shoe, like if you want a pair, the other one would be in some other corner. So it's really difficult that way. But yes, I'm really glad that I did not miss out on this one. I'm not really moving like with the category or something. I'm just picking up whatever comes first. The second thing that I got is this denim jacket. This is amazing. This is a oversized jacket. Like this is what XS size, and it fits like somewhat L to me, but it looks really cool because that's the way it is meant to be. And it has this patchwork over here. There was a lot of patchwork everywhere that I went for shopping. I think it's the next thing after the off shoulders and cold shoulders. That was all over the place. So I think this is the patchwork is going to be the next thing, or it already is. And in the front it has another patchwork that says no idea. And I'm just gonna put all the details and the prices of all these products in the description box below so you can check it out, and I'll also try it put in here, so if that's possible, but otherwise you're gonna find it in the description box below. The next thing that I bought is this skirt. I am not really a midi skirt person. I avoid it most of the times, but I don't know, I like mostly prefer shorts, and if not then I go for like really long and flowy ones. But I love this one. This has like a net details, a tulle skirt basically. It has a golden detailing here that is a very abstract detailing. So yes, I like it a lot. It has a elastic here, and yeah. So yes, this is in olive green again. There's a disclaimer, I have bought a lot of olives, maybe because it was all over the place and I really liked it, and every third thing that I liked was an olive. And as I mentioned, if I liked something, I did not think that, oh, I should buy it or not. It was just like, okay, let's just pick. So that happened. And yeah, so the next thing is in green shade as well. This is emerald green, and this is a bodycon dress. It has a full sleeves and looks really beautiful. It like fits at the arm and it looks very beautiful. It has a golden button detailing at both the sides of the shoulder, and this is how it looks. And it is overall a bodycon dress, but just above the knee it has a flare. So yes, I'm gonna try and put a picture over here, but yes, if not, then this is how it looks, and this is how the flare looks like. So the next thing that I picked is also a green dress, and I did not plan on putting all the olives and greens together. It's just that it just happens to be together in this body bag. So yeah. So at Zara, I found 3 slip dresses, but both the other ones that I liked did not have my size, so I picked this one. And it has a t-shirt attached. I'm not really sure if I'm going to wear it like this all the time, so there's a possibility that I might detach this from the slip dress and I would just style it with something else. But yeah, it looks really nice. It has a patchwork over here that says 1995 and tiger for some reason. So yeah. Finally getting over the olive alert that I had. Now we have a denim. So this is a denim short dress that has a very rugged feeling at the end because it's like slightly torn and it has like few fibers coming out of it, and it has patchwork again. As I said, there's a lot of patchwork that I found everywhere and it looks really chic. So if you find something like that, it always looks good. Like if you're looking for any chic or cool look, this will really go everywhere. So yeah, patchwork looks cool, and this one says pop and it completely justifies the pop fashion that's in. So yeah. The next thing is also one amongst my favorite things because it's like one amongst the formal things. I love formal wear, and not exactly formal, but you can wear it to dinners and really elite and classy looks. It's not something casual, and I don't really find the best things like that. It fits really well. It is a really sleek fit. It fits your body really well. It's a full sleeves top. It is basically a laced pattern. It has some circular structure over it, and the neck here fits like really well. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna put a picture here how it looks. So yeah, and you can always wear your accessories over it, so it looks really classy. I'm really worried if I go out of shape, this might not fit me because it's something that is really sleek. So yes, I hope I do not go out of shape so that I can make the most of it. So Zara has this one counter that is on sale basically. The last pieces are put on sale, but this wasn't like the sale season, so they had like only very small area that had like only 10 pieces that were on sale. So amongst that I picked this very cute shorts. I like it. They're super comfortable, the fabric is cute, and it has pockets. I like everything that has pockets, be it. And I recently saw there's a lehenga collection that was launched that has pockets, and I'm really excited for that because I've always wanted lehengas to have pockets in it. So yes, this one also has pockets and I really like it. And this one was for very cheap. Like, coming from Zara, you do not expect a thing that is for 600. So yes, I thought it was really cheap pick. So I'm really happy about that. So the next thing that I picked is this white oversized t-shirt. I usually don't go for oversized t-shirts. I might pick like shirts that are oversized. I go for dresses, jackets that are oversized. But t-shirts I feel sometimes give a really manly look, and maybe I'm not somebody who really wears t-shirts that are oversized, and so I just don't prefer that. But this one was really cool because one, it was different because of the patches it has. This patches one of this says, not today, thanks, and I really liked it. There are all random patches. There are eyes, there's spider, there's sea, and there's a star. So yes, it looks really cool, and it has really high slits. So yes, this is the second thing that I really liked about this one. So yeah, I'm really excited to style it because that's not something that I usually wear. The next thing that I bought is this black sweater kind of top. It has bell sleeves and it has like this white detail here so that the bell sleeves are more enhanced. This is a top for casual days when you don't really want to dress up a lot but you don't want to look really casual. So I think this will look really. The next thing that I bought is similar to the last top. It's not really same, but they're on similar lines because I bought it for the similar reason as the last one. It is a high neck top and I really like the detail, like the fabric of it, and it has like a golden, silver and black, so it looks really cool. The sleeves are also bell sleeves, but it does not have like such exaggerated sleeves. It is really fitted till here. It has like an attachment of bell sleeves to it, so this is how it looks and it looks really cool. So now moving on to the accessories. The first thing that I bought is this one that I'm wearing right now. It has a geometric details over it. I was looking for a choker that had geometric details since a long time, but I did not find it anywhere. And when I saw it, I'm like, just pack it right away. I'm buying it. So yes, that happened. And this one is a set of three. It has like a circular choker and then like the other two that I'm wearing right now. I don't know why I didn't wear the first one, but yes, the other two are how it looks. The next thing that I bought is this bandana that has sequin detailings, and to balance out the shimmer in it, there is a floral thread work that I really like. I've been looking for a bandana since a really long time. Like, there was one, this is similar to the one that Sonam Kapoor wore to a friend's marriage, and since then I've been looking for something like that. And when I saw it, I really liked it. So yes, this is how it looks and it looks really cool. I am really excited to style this one as well. Moving on to the next accessory that I bought. It is a really heavy one. You cannot just wear it casually or for random dinners. It's for parties that you really want to dress up. So it's a deep and long one. So yeah, it has a choker at the top and then it has like work over here and it looks really beautiful. When I tried it, I didn't want to remove it. It was that beautiful. So yes, it has like some spiky work here and a lot of shimmer and stones here, and it has like what, silver and pink details. But the good part is you can style it with anything because the pink stones are really light tone, so you can wear it with anything. And yes, but it has to be for a really good occasion where you are dressing up to another level. And this can be styled with a really deep v-neck because this is something that is long, or with the ones that are high neck, not specifically turtlenecks, but yes, with something that are high necks so that it does not look weird. It won't look good with a round neck or a small v-neck because half of it would show on a bare skin and then half of it on the dress would look good. So yes, I really liked it. And this time I shot something very different because most of the things that I bought this time are not something that are my style. Talk about bandana, talk about this neck piece. So yes, let's see if I'm able to pull this off. The next thing that I bought is this black bag. It has patchwork. I guess I'm obsessed with patchwork. Everything that I bought has either patchwork or it is olive. So yes, the point is made. And this one is really cool. It has a sling chain with it and it looks really cool. You can carry it casually, you can carry it to parties, and it looks really cool. The base of it is in velvet and the patchwork is very shiny and blingy and has thread work as well. The good part about this bag is that it has two bases. This one can be removed, like it has a detailing that it can be removed, and it has like a pink one, so that can be attached over here. Instead of this one, a pink shade can be attached, and even that looks nice. So the next thing that I bought are these boots. These are the most beautiful boots that I've ever owned. They are very subtle. They do not have a lot of things on it. It's just like a brown color which has only buckle detailings over here, and it looks really cool. And I don't know why in India people don't wear boots that often, but I have been obsessed with it and I own so much of it. Okay, so here's the thing. Every year on my birthday when I was young, like 7 or 8, I used to get one pair of boots every year, and my mom used to get me all those very furry and very beautiful pinks and blues and all those kinds of boots that used to look really cool. And on our birthdays we were supposed to wear the casual dresses and not just the basic uniforms, the regular uniforms. So every year all my batchmates knew that this girl is gonna come up with like her long boots, like a knee-high boot or something. So yes, I used to wear that on my birthdays and had a lot of them, and I still have a lot of it. And I don't know, I just don't wear it that often anymore, but yes, I have a lot of them. I buy a lot of them. So yes, I'm really excited to wear this. The last thing that I bought is this grey white shirt top, and I could not see it because it was below all the accessories, so I thought I was done with all the clothes, but yes, this was left. So this is an oversized top and it has a zip detailing over here, and yeah, you can also like if you close it up it is like a high neck, but if you want it just lies over here and it looks really beautiful. So this is it. It was my Zara haul and I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked something out of it, it'll be very easy for you guys to find it because all of it is from the new stock. So yes, you can go have your pick. And I hope you guys find this video good. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here are a few of my previous videos so you can go watch it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!